fabulous besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I love to post the girliest content that I could possibly post. The girlier the better, and if it's not girly, I will make it girly, trust me. And if you're a returning viewer, hey girl, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I appreciate it so much. Today we have a little unboxing and review from DIVOOM. This is now my third DIVOOM accessory for my desk, and I'm excited because this one is really small and cute. I have had DIVOOM accessories on my desk since about the time that I started my YouTube channel, starting with the small little retro computer that I've had all the way from the beginning that you guys are always asking about. That is the DIVOOM Ditto. And then if you remember a few months back, I did a video for the DIVOOM Timesgate, which is this one here. I love having both of these on my desk because they just add a little bit of characteristic, a little bit of personality. They add a little bit of light to my atmosphere, and I'm obsessed with both of these things. I love how customizable they are. But now we have a new addition. Let's go ahead and get to unboxing her. So when you order this little retro computer, the DIVOOM Minitoo, it comes in this really cute little shopping bag, so it's already ready to be gifted. This makes the perfect gift for this holiday season, and it is just so cutesies. What comes in the box, the first thing you're gonna find is your charging cable. The charging cable is a USB to USB-C cord. They also give you a couple of really cute stickers that you can put on your DIVOOM device as well. And then you get a user manual for the Minitoo. The DIVOOM Minitoo looks just like the computers that I used to use when I was a little kid. So when they asked me if they can send me one of these, I was already so excited. For those of you that were in school around the 90s, do you guys remember going to computer class and using a computer that was this big? Who knows what they had in the back of those computers? But it looked a lot like this, and we used to go to computer class and type and play games. So I was excited to get one of these because this is literally my childhood right here. There is a little film to take off, but my nails are so long. Okay. And then to power it on, you have your power button right here, the orange. There is a mode, a back button, volume down, play and pause, and volume up. You can also use these functions for the brightness. And then you have your little menu toggle back and forth button here. So to turn it on, we're going to go and press and hold. To turn it on, we're going to press and hold for 3 seconds. It even powers up like my old computer from back in the days. It is giving Windows 95 right now. I'm going to go ahead for English. And literally just like that, it's already connected. You can check by looking on here. It's going to say the name of the device that you're connected to at the moment. And there is so much that you can do with this, you guys. Gadgets like these are literally my favorite little thing. It's like a little desk pet. I love to change up the faces every now and then. You could put so many different faces. This one is so cute. It's like a 1990s pink retro inspired clock face, but it says 2025 and it gives the date and time for today, but giving that little 1990s aesthetic. You can have a different clock face literally every day. You can also even add your own clock face by going to the faces gallery and adding a new one. The possibilities of what you can add are literally endless. I'm a Christmas girly and I also love dogs. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one for now, just because it is mid-December and I think that this is so cute. When you're finished selecting what you want, you're going to go ahead and press the check button And there we go. How cute is this, you guys? This is the cutest little thing. This device can also play music. We're gonna go ahead and play something. You're just gonna wanna make sure that you turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and you pair to the DIVOOM MINITOO audio on your phone. And then you'll be able to play all of your audio on this little speaker. DIVOOM accessory. So now to go ahead and add your DIVOOM, you're going to go ahead and click on the little plus sign at the top, and it's going to help you discover your new DIVOOM device. As you can see, the MINITOO does come with a really cool bass, but I would say the best audio comes at a range of 8 to 9 for super bass heavy songs, and if it's more on the acoustic vibe, you can crank up the volume and enjoy your music off of this little speaker. I love to even get super creative and create my own little GIFs or GIFs, whichever you like to call. That is entirely up to you. But I like to make my own little creations on the DIVOOM MINITOO. I am not the most artistic person, but you know, sometimes I like to have fun and see what I can do. You can also even find art from other creators around the world, and I really love this little cat playing piano. I think it's so cute. There's this pink one. You know, I love to have anything that's pink and lit up on my desk because that's my kind of aesthetic. They also make it super easy to find whatever you want. So if I wanted to find all of the artwork that was just Hello Kitty, you just type it into the search and it gives you so many options. In case you don't want to create your own Hello Kitty, you can literally have Hello Kitty from different creators around the world. I think this one is super cute. We're gonna go ahead and see how we can get that one on there. And there she goes. Super adorable. One of the cutest clock faces that they have right now for the MINITOO are this interactive emotion. It's just a little clock face with a little animated buddy that sits with you at your desk, and he reacts to practically everything and anything. He's just the cutest little thing. It's like having your own little best friend with you while you're working, just vibing out with you and understanding every mood that you go through. One of the main faces that I always keep on my old DIVOOM is the cloud channel, and it just shows you all of the artwork from different artists from literally anywhere, and I love how creative people get. Some of these things look absolutely amazing. And if you want, you can even have a rotation of your most favorite pixel art from different people. Let's say I wanted to have this Kuromi. It's gonna send it. And I want to do more. I want to also have this little gray tabby cat that looks like my cat Selena. I'm gonna add that one in there too, and it's gonna play the both of them. I kind of want to get a little bit bougie, and I usually have a Louis Vuitton GIF on my little DIVOOM. So let's say I wanted something that had LV in it, because I am too bougie for my own good. Literally anything you can imagine is going to loop and play on your little DIVOOM, so it's completely customizable. You also get 3 slots for customization of loops of whatever you want. So if you want to create different themes and you want to change it out based on how you're feeling, you can click into any one of these and it will play the loop that you set for that one. This also makes such a great little desk accessory for anybody who is an office girly or guys that work in the office, because you can also put informative clock faces that give you the weather, date, and time. And I think that this is so chic, and it's definitely a way to dress up your office. They also have something called AI drawing, where you can tell it what to draw. I asked it to give me a gray tabby cat sleeping on a pink fluffy bed, and this is what it came out with. And this is how it looks on the DIVOOM MINITOO, and I think that that is so cute. Somebody that loves personalization would love something like this, because the possibilities that you can do with this are literally endless. If you're somebody like me that has trouble sleeping, you can also use the white noise feature, and it will play different white noises. You can toggle on the volume of each one of these, and whatever kind of white noise that you're into is what would play. For me, the sound of the ocean shore always puts me to sleep. The beach is one of the most relaxing things for me. There are so many different white noise options to choose from. This is how the meditation frequencies sound by themselves without any of the nature sounds. You can also set a timer for how long you want the white noise to last. So going from permanent, meaning that it would never turn off, to 90 minutes. So if you're somebody that even has trouble sleeping, this is definitely something that you might want to look into. They also have the Pomodoro technique. I love the Pomodoro technique when it comes to doing anything where I want to be more productive. So you have one for reading books and it will last about 25 minutes with a 5-minute break. And you also have the one where you work with a 25-minute or a 5-minute break. You can also choose your own. So it could be working hours, how long you want to work for, 5-minute break. And then if you need a long break, maybe for a meal period, and then how many times you want this to repeat. This comes in handy if you're somebody that gets extremely distracted and you just cannot sit still and handle one task at a time. There are even games on here which are super cool. The device itself is really small, so I would say that these games are great for somebody with small hands. I already lost? No, let's try this again. The device is really small, but if you have small hands, I don't think it's that bad. I have seen some people say that it's really hard to use the joystick, but I honestly don't find it to be that bad, especially for a game like this where you have to be a little bit quick and strategic when you're moving the pieces. I used to love this game when I was a kid, but there are a couple games to choose from and I think it's really interesting. You can also use your phone as a little joystick or controller. I might not be that good at playing Snake like I was when I was 8, but there are so many games to choose from, and I'm just now realizing that your phone could be the controller while you're playing with this. This is your main menu setting, but you're not limited to anything that you see here. If you press more, so many different things that you can do here. So I want to go ahead and test out the alarm because I do need to wake up early tomorrow anyways. So we're going to go ahead and set an alarm. We are going to go ahead and set an alarm. Let's see how the alarm works. Right now it's 7:15. It just saved. I set the alarm for 7:17 and you can have it play a recording, you can have it play Bluetooth music or a system sound notification. We're gonna go ahead and stick to whatever is default at the moment just to see what happens. So I found that the sound starts off really low and I thought it was too low, but it's actually something that gets louder gradually and now it's super loud and I almost can't even hear myself talk. Okay, perfect. We were able to stop it just by pressing the orange button. In my free time, these are some of the pixel arts that I've created. I wouldn't say that I'm the best pixel artist there is, but I'm super proud of this baby Yoda that I made. How cute is this one? It's one of my favorites that I've ever done. This was the first one that I did where I was just testing it out. And I mean, it was okay. It got 58 likes though, while baby Yoda only got 5. I really love my dog Stormy and I think that she's super cute and I want to go ahead and see how would it look if I were to add a photo of her onto here. So we're going to go ahead and add that in, and I want to delete some of these because I only want it to be a picture of Stormy. Oh, look at that cosita. Oh my god, look how cute. Isn't she darling? Yeah, that's going right on my desk right there. Super cute. Nobody could tell me otherwise. The different vibes and aesthetics that you can create are literally endless, and I always have so much fun celebrating different holidays with these little pixel arts. If you wanted to have just an album of all of your favorite photos, you can even upload that to your Minitoo and it will play all of your pictures, and I think it's super cute and super personal. These are some pictures that I took when I was in Costa Rica this summer, so it's a great way to have some of your memories on your desk. Here I go again, trying to make cute pixel art. When is somebody gonna tell me that I am not a pixel art baddie? I like to think that I am though. I made a jumping heart. And that's how it looks on my new DIVOOM Minitoo. If you guys notice at the edges of every single pixel art that I've shown you, there is a little frame. You can also even change that to something that you like. So if you go into the device settings here and you click on frames, They have so many different frames to choose from, and I am a pink girly, so of course I'm going to want to go with maybe this one. It's a bunch of little pink widgets, and once it loads, that's how it looks. You have your day and time here, which I think that's super cool. Up here you have your sound decibels. It gives it a little bit of a high-tech appeal, and on the bottom here it just says spark your life. Now this is my DIVOOM Ditto. You guys can see it is way smaller than the new DIVOOM Minitoo, and I can appreciate that because this up here is a little bit tight, so I'm going to be replacing with this one, and then I am going to find somewhere else in my room to put this one. I think that that just fits so much better there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I leave the DIVOOM Ditto there, or should I put this new one here? So I actually really love the DIVOOM Minitoo a lot more than I thought I would. I just think it's so cute and small and tiny. It's very similar to my old little retro DIVOOM, but this thing is a space saver for sure. And I also love that the pixel art on this one is a little bit more crisp, more refined. And for the holidays, you can gift this to somebody using the link and code in my description. Okay, besties, we've reached the end of the video, and if you can't already tell, I am absolutely smitten with my little retro computer. Let's just have a moment for how absolutely adorable she is. You know that my style is all about creating a beautiful, cohesive aesthetic that is mostly pink, and this tiny little thing just brings the look all together. Because this is not just another boring block speaker, it has a vibrant screen with colorful details and completely customizable. I can have all of the Hello Kitty that I want right here. Being able to jump into the DIVOOM app and create whatever I want for the aesthetic that I'm looking for that day, whether it's a little heart or a little sassy flower, is literally a whole mood. This thing is so small and compact. It's literally smaller than my Labubu. And it's more than just a speaker. It's an alarm clock, it's a focus timer, it plays games. This thing is the perfect gift for anybody who's super creative in your life. If your vibe is all about mixing that sweet vintage style with a little bit of modern tech, then this is definitely the gift. So if you're sitting here thinking, wow, you know what? I need one of these little pixel arts on my desk, then my loves, you are in the right place. I got you. I've teamed up with DIVOOM to make sure that you can all get your hands on one of these little cuties for less. I've placed a special link and code in my description, and when you click on the link, you'll save yourself 10% so you can get one of these retro charms without breaking the bank. And before you guys leave and go and start shopping, if you guys enjoyed this video, then go ahead and hit that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll never miss another girly chic video. And make sure you drop in the comments what your favorite pixel art vibe is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye!